It's like this COVID period, we did all our planning, and because of it, we still don't get anything out of this situation. But we still give thanks because there's a time to step back. And then I think if people are able to be productive, this is the time to re-strategize, to rekindle old contacts, tidy up your database, look into your marketing plans, learn new skills. Yeah, learn new skills. But also this is also a blessing in disguise, because that's where if we have not been doing our due diligence to make use of the resources that we've been blessed, to keep a provision for downtime. And this can be a very good wake-up call, because you never know.
And you're not the first one who say this is a very recuperating time, and
Yes.
It's like so blessed to be in this pandemic in that sense in that sense.
Yeah.
We can sit and listen to ourselves, finally we can hear ourselves, hear our own thoughts, and then this thing about where we want to go, what we want to do next, what's going to happen later, and we really had that time to indulge in that kind of exploration.